Hi guys, let me show you how to use Angel Broking app to the fullest. So this is the Angel Broking app. First down you can see watch list, portfolio, orders, funds and research. Okay, in watch list you can always go to my watch list where you can add all of your things that you want to trade in, all of your strike prices and stuff. Then there is this Nifty where you can add for Nifty and Bank Nifty ones. Last viewed will give you all the strike prices that you have viewed, and then options like what are currently trading, which is the best one, will always be given here. Then index trading is nothing but stocks, so you can find all the stocks right here. And after that, this is the equity market. It will give you the top gainers and the top losers, so you can always keep a check on what is happening in the market. After that, this is a future. In Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can get to know what is the long build up, short build up, long covering and everything else. In F&O wise, see here banking, so every sector wise is given here in future section. And this is the news, what is the recent news that you will require during trading, all of that will be given here. So this is all about watch list. Portfolio will give you whatever you have in equity, like I just close my positions in equity today, but here will be bonds, then there will be mutual funds if you have invested, there is currency, commodities, all of that will be in your portfolio. F&O, if you have any F&O, it will be here. Then commodities, currency, mutual funds, all of this is here. So here orders you'll have pending orders, or which if you have all put an order, pending orders will be here, and positions in which you have traded. Okay, so this is that. And then here will be your funds, and this is you can withdraw or add funds right here. And research is the most exciting part of the Angel Broking. ARQ Prime, that's just 50 rupees for a year. If you can take it, it will give you live buy calls, whichever is there, and it will always give you a return of almost 20 to 30% if you've taken all the stocks that they recommend. Over time they keep updating this. This is called the ARQ Prime in Angel Broking. Apart from that, you have intraday, which they'll give you intraday calls, and mostly all of it will work. If not in the intraday, if you take it as a carry forward, it will definitely 100% work. This is intraday, and there is short term if you're looking for short term investments, so this is where you find it. And then there is ARQ intraday, which they usually won't give you every day, but when they give, don't miss that because it is the best. After that, there is long term. In long term, they'll ask you, like they'll show you how much if you invest, what's the quantity in which you have to invest, and they'll give you details of why you have to invest in each of the sectors. So this is also very nice. When you have free time, you can go through on which is the most good one that you can invest on good stock that you can invest on in a long term. After that, there is commodity. You can see this is silver, micro and natural gas. These they give you to either sell or to buy. So this commodity market opens at around 9 p.m. So you can trade in commodity also. And this is currency. So this is how you use the Angel Broking